So I have a million different ingenious things that I do all the time, but sometimes I forget them. So this time, my cameraman Teddy
Hi.
is going to document this. So we're talking about sanding down some spackle, Now if this has been done before, I didn't look it up, more power to them, but there's certain things I feel like nobody's ever done but me. Alright? This one's kind of 50-50. So instead of sandpaper, instead of other things I like to use, I'm using a wood chisel. Alright? Now, come closer here, cameraman. Now, see that disaster right there, right? Look, it comes off like butter. Like butter. Okay? This is my inaugural I'm Smarter Than You video, so we'll keep it to a minimum. Thank you for watching. Please share.
Please subscribe, leave a like on the next video, and see you later for next time.